Hey, how are we doing today? Are we doing some college car shopping? Well, look no further. I got something that's cool for the kids, I got something that's safe for the parents, and I got something that's affordable for the wallet. That's going to be this Encore GX right here. It's a 2022. It's got some fantastic features. Let's start with what the kid's going to like. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The thing that the parents going to like about that, phone isn't in their hand while they're driving. As far as reliability with the vehicles, J.D. Power ranks Buick vehicles #2 as far as reliability, so you don't have to worry about your kid breaking down. And one of my other favorite features that I like is right in the rear here. It is a smaller SUV that's a little bit more compact, but when we do get the chance to go to school, you're going to have space for all your dorm accessories. And then when you come home after a full semester and you haven't done a single load of laundry and you hand it all off to mom, it all fits in there as well. Come on down to Johnson Motors, take a test drive, see if you like it. You're going to love it.